Hey, what's up YouTube? All right, thanks for checking out another video of mine. So today we're working on the S55 AMG, the M113 engine from Mercedes-Benz. And for the past 4 days, I've been struggling trying to take off the oxygen sensor. And I'll show you in just 1 second the oxygen sensor that's on the bank 1, which would be on this side of the car, which is the driver's side of the car, is very difficult to get to. So let me show you that right there. You can see right there, it is, so I can use my hand. It's right here, the kind of out of focus item. The O2 sensor on bank 1 is this sensor socket removal. First of all, this one is too tall and it's too wide at the bottom to fit around the oxygen sensor. So next up, I bought the smaller oxygen sensor socket, and this one fit a lot better, but once again, it was just a hair too big once it sat on top of the oxygen sensor, and it didn't grip onto anything and just kind of helped round it out a little bit more. So that didn't really work, especially when it stuck on there kind of hard. So that was it. So next I went on Amazon and I found gear wrench, bolt extractor socket. It's a 7/8 22 millimeter socket. Inside of it, it has kind of like a teeth and it said it will grip on to rounded out bolts and it will remove it. And I thought this would be my answer to getting it off. I paid $22 for it, and yeah. It off. Okay, so after all those wasted money and failures, I went ahead and just decided to take off the valve cover gasket to make a little bit more room, as you can see right there. So the way I was able to get it off, I had to use this little handsaw and a Dremel to just saw it and hack it into different sections. And after 7 hours of sawing and cutting, I was able to get it off and put the small oxygen sensor socket around it and take it off. All right, so let's go ahead and put the new oxygen sensor back in. So remember to take them off. You turn it to the left or to the passenger side, and to put it back on, just turn it to the right or towards the driver's side. And you can just push it on down there and twist it in by hand to get it started. Only takes a few seconds. And remember, the upstream sensors have the long wire to go to it, and the short ones are for the downstream that go in the rear. So don't put those ones on there. Make sure you have the upstream with the long wire to go into that connector. So you can twist it on, and then to put it back on, you can use the short O2 sensor socket to put it back on. Since it's not stuck or super tight or anything, it actually works. Twisted it on nice and tight. 1 minute later and you're all done.